Turn right on Monte della Bay. In 300 meters.
Have a blessed Sunday, everyone.
Turn left.
Oh, finally. We're
You've
here.
arrived. Destination.
See the purple one?
Welcome to aboard. Nice weather. It's another day. It's another vlog, guys. Super Aqua Club. Finally, we arrived. Nice weather again and again. Thank you for nice weather.
I mean,
hello, hello, hello. We're in the parking lot. Finally. Last minute again and again. Gala, gala. So another day, another vlog, guys. Let's go for the water park. Yes, another water park, this one. I think I've been here for like, oh, tagal na. It's long time. Long time, guys. Very long time. Let's go, let's go. Have fun. The nice weather again and again. Thank you, Lord, for the nice weather. To show the ticket, guys. Show the ticket. We don't have ticket. We cannot go through in, you know. Look at this. A lot of people there now, guys. We came late again. Last minute. Oh boy, last minute.
will someone do me?
Okay,
Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's another day, another vlog, guys. Come on. There's some music, guys. Guys, we're in a waiting area. You can see tables by tables. We just arrived and, you know, last minute decided to go water park. Supposed to be we're going. Super Aqua Club. Okay. Let's go okay, guys. Wag na tayo mag-swimming. Okay tayo, guys. Okay to beach towel. Remembrance. My music, guys. My music. Guys, 5 towels. 5 towels I have. Different color. Walking guys, walking. I show you around. Wow, that's cool. Woo! Wow! Table. Dami pang table dito, is free oh. Mga table, dami pa dito. Keep walking guys, walking. Ingay guys, ingay. That's too high. Guys, hindi ako makapaligo, maybe later kasi hindi ako makapag ano ng cellphone pagka ano na. Yeah, I need to keep walking around and around. This one, wow, so deep. Parang banga ito, parang banga siya guys. Umiikot ka siya daan sa dito, umiikot ka dyan, tapos ano, babagsak sa butas. Walking pag may time. I need to show you around guys, the Super Aqua Club. Ay. So long I don't been here yet guys. Ngayon lang ulit. Oh boy. Diba? This one is stair going up. Go to slide. Ayan, umakyat sila doon sa taas. Doon. Tapos magpapa-slide sila doon sa sarapan. Buhat nila yung mga ano, salbabida. Mabigat yan. Buhat nila. Daming space dito na table. Oh. Pero ang pinaka-center doon yung pinapwestuhan namin. Alright, continue walking guys. Ito na pinaka-exercise ko instead of go slide. Thank you for watching. Ayun na guys, ito. Part 1. Part 1 You can see guys, this one oh. Diyan mag-i-slide sa butas doon. Aakyat sila dyan oh, hanggang doon sa pataas. Doon magsisimula, tapos slide. O umiikot silang ganyan dyan sa buo dyan oh, sa butas na yan. Tapos babagsak sila doon sa banda roon. Oh my. Daming pila. It's a long line. Look guys, this chair. I love the chair. I love the color. Guys, I love this. I love this lazy river. Kukunan ka muna mga video guys. And after, gonna wet. Ayan siya. Lazy river ito guys. Ipinupos kayo ng alon. Umaano yung tubig doon guys. I love this. Thank you for watching guys. Part 1. Ikot pa ako. Bye for now. Part 1. Bye. Water guys there. Iikot yan ng mga nag-slide. Ayan, dadaling ka doon sa baba. Itutulak ka ng water. Ay, nako. Super exciting. Ice cream store. Ice shake.